window, raindrops on the window, I'm dreaming, but it doesn't make sense at all.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, hi, my name is Maddie, and guys, I just got into my brand new apartment. And as you can see from the title, I will be showing you guys an empty apartment tour. Okay, just to give you guys a little bit of a rundown in case you are new here. I am moving into this apartment. It's a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment. And I'm gonna be living by myself, and I've never lived by myself before, so it's kind of exciting. I go to college, I'm gonna be a senior in the fall, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. I haven't moved anything in yet because I wanted this to actually be an empty apartment tour. But yeah, I'm really excited, so let's just jump right into it. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see all the rest of the moving content, and of course follow me on my social media. And huge thank you to my sister who's filming this right now, if you want to say hi. Okay, so we're gonna start with the front door. This is the front door to my apartment. And then moving over here, this is the kitchen, one of my favorite parts about this apartment. But anyways, this is a little storage closet. Has the water heater in there. I think I'm gonna put like a little shelf for my food and everything because I don't have a pantry here, but that's okay. I'm only one person, I don't eat that much. So then over here we have my refrigerator. It's really nice. The only complaint I have is it doesn't make any ice. My iced coffees are getting really sad. I have to buy a lot of ice trays. It's okay. But yeah, it's just a refrigerator. Nothing too exciting, you know, all the good stuff. All the appliances are stainless steel, which is really nice. One of the things I was so excited about for this apartment was having my own refrigerator. Just having like so much space, like look at this. Look at how much space there is. Hi guys. So yeah, there's a lot of space for just all of my own food, which is just, it's so weird, but I'm just so excited about it for no reason. Same with the freezer. Like, I can stock up on so many frozen Trader Joe's things. How amazing. And then we have a lot of cabinet space. There's so many cabinets in here and so many drawers, which is really, really nice. But yeah, they're white cabinets, totally my aesthetic. Everything in my life is based around my aesthetic. It's just how it goes. But we also have the microwave, of course, and I think the microwave and the dishwasher are from my old apartment. Like they're the exact same ones that I have in my old apartment, so kind of funny, but. Ooh, actually that's not the same. That's really nice. That's actually a lot nicer than my other one. Okay, just kidding. I think it's just the same brand actually. And then cabinets up there. Up here, I'll have to get like a little step stool or something. So we also have a backsplash. It's kind of like a grayish, I don't know, it looks kind of green to me. Just a little bit like a greenish gray. It's not my favorite, but it'll do. It's still great, it's still beautiful. So I'm probably gonna put my coffee stuff over here, I think. I think that would probably look the best. And I'll probably just put like pots and pans down here. Plates, bowls, all that good stuff over here. Mugs over here. Yeah, I don't have anything else figured out, but that's what I have so far. Okay, so here's the main kitchen part. My favorite thing about the kitchen is probably this like oven area. It has an overhead, what is this called?
A hood.
A hood. It has a hood, which I've never had one of those. But yeah, this is really nice. I am going to be cooking so much, so I'm really excited about that. And then over here we have the sink area, which, cool thing, I don't know if the water's on yet.
Yeah.
Oh, it is, okay. This comes out. I love that. It has like, you know, nice. Very nice. Okay, so for the kitchen, since I don't have a dining room, I did buy a couple bar stools, so those are just obviously gonna go over here. I think I'm gonna do another like huge apartment haul because I haven't shown you guys my couch, my rug, TV, all that stuff, so I'll probably do like a big apartment haul after I get everything moved in here. So I'll show you guys the bar stools when those get delivered and all that good stuff. But yeah, that's probably gonna be like one of my main seating areas. My couch doesn't actually get delivered until the end of June, so I'm gonna be couchless for a while. So I'll definitely be sitting at counter, you know, doing homework, editing, all that fun stuff. And then we have more tiny drawers. Lots of drawers in here. Very nice. Lots of storage. We love that. Granite countertops. I love like the white granite kind of vibe to it. That also goes with my aesthetic. These are really similar to the ones that I had in my old apartment. But yeah, that's pretty much the kitchen. I'm gonna need to figure out like where I want to put everything and all that stuff. But I love the kitchen, and like I said, I'm gonna be cooking a lot, so I think it'll be super fun to cook all my good food and everything in here. So I've never had this happen before, but they left me a bottle of Prosecco. It was on the counter, but I was taking pictures and I didn't want it in the background, so we just threw it under the sink. But yeah, I'm not 21 yet, so my sister will be able to take this home. Good old Josh Prosecco from Italy. So then moving on over here. This is the living room area. So it's just the kitchen and the living room. There's no space for like a dining room or anything like that, which I'm totally fine with. But yeah, this is the living room. Also, sorry for the echo. There's obviously nothing in here, so it's super echoey, but it's a living room. I bought a couch. I need to buy a TV and all that stuff. I have a rug, so that'll all go in here. But it's a really nice space, and I love the window. The view is really nice. It's super cute. It makes me feel like I am actually living in the city, because I am living in the city, but it makes me like actually feel like I'm living in the city. But yeah, I love the huge window, obviously for the natural lighting and the videos and all that good stuff. So I haven't figured out like exactly kind of where I want everything to go yet. I'm thinking probably the couch over here. I don't think the couch would even fit on that wall, to be honest. I ordered a 72-inch couch. It's really cute. It's beige. But like I said, it's not going to get here until the end of June. But I'm thinking the couch probably over here, and then the TV over on this wall. Oh, I didn't mention the floor. I don't know what the floor is.
Linoleum.
Huh?
It's like a linoleum. Yep.
Okay, the floor is linoleum.
A wood-looking linoleum.
A wood-looking linoleum.
Yeah.
Over here is the air conditioner, and then over here is the bedroom. Come on in. Okay, here's the bedroom. It's super cute, and it has another window. This is carpeted, which is nice, and you know, the same gray color throughout the apartment. I'm gonna be putting obviously my bed in here somewhere, my desk, all that good stuff. I have absolutely no clue where I want to put anything in my bedroom. Originally I was thinking probably my bed over here and then my desk over there, but I'm kind of thinking maybe my bed over there. I feel like that would probably look cute, and then like maybe my desk here. And then the bedroom leads into this little closet area. There we go. So there's no door here, which is a little goofy, but like it's kind of cute, kind of works. But this is my closet. So we have some shelves over here and everything. So as you guys know, I love my clothes. I love buying clothes. I love going shopping, all that fun stuff. So I'm really excited that there's actually like a decent amount of space for all of my stuff. So I don't know if you guys remember, but in my house, like in my parents' house, I redid my closet, and like I did a closet organization video and all that stuff. I don't use a dresser. I use one of those like cube things from Target, if you know what I'm talking about. So I'm actually bringing that here, and I think I'm gonna put that here. I think it would fit like standing up right there, and that's kind of where I keep like my jeans, sweats, pants, all that stuff. So I think I'm gonna do that. I have a washer and dryer, which was such a perk for this apartment. That isn't something that's super common in a lot of apartments. We have some more shelves and all that good stuff, but this was definitely something that I was excited to have. And then here we have the bathroom. So the counter in the bathroom is so cute. I'm obsessed with like the marble. It's not actual marble. It looks like marble though, super cute. Cute little fancy sink, nice. And then over here we have, you know, the other stuff, shower, toilet, all this stuff. And then this door leads back out to the kitchen. So yeah, that's pretty much my apartment.
Okay, bye.
So yeah, that is gonna be it for my empty apartment tour. I'm gonna start moving into the apartment today actually, and I'm vlogging that as well. So if you guys wanna see my moving vlogs, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel so you guys don't miss out on any of that stuff. Also, of course, follow me on my social media. Links are down below. But yeah, that is gonna be it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye. What else to say? Thanks for watching. No, yourself.
Oh, no. I'll go back to the mirror. Hi.